Due to COVID-19, Automotive Technology has not been able to accept student vehicles to work on. However, this week they're going to start accepting submissions.
As far as why we started doing it or why we do it, it's to give our students an opportunity to work on additional tasks aside from using our fleet of training vehicles.
What type of repairs do you generally offer to students and faculty, and what do you try and avoid?
We don't necessarily try and avoid anything. It really depends on the educational value. The thing to keep in mind is students are entry level. So if something is a very advanced topic, then that may not be something that we repair or correct.
Do you have some examples of some recent repairs that you guys have worked on?
We generally stick to several subject areas for live work. So in the fall semester, it'll generally be our brakes classes. And in the spring, we're looking at heating and air conditioning, steering and suspension, and engine performance, specifically check engine light.
How do students sign up or submit their vehicles?
So they would contact the instructor for the course. So, and email is the way to go. No phone calls or anything like that, but contact the instructor by email.
What does the student need to provide other than their vehicle?
They would provide parts as needed, and that's really it.
And what's sort of the timeline you guys operate off of?
It is literally at the discretion of the instructor and the flow of the course. If you need your vehicle repaired quickly, you need to take it to a licensed repair facility. This is about a learning experience for the students, and we want to do it correct and complete and safely and all those kinds of things. So time is not an issue for us. That's something people need to consider. Need it quickly, this is not the way to go.
If you have a vehicle that needs a little extra love, try submitting and you may be able to save some money. I'm Gaji, reporting for the Campus Ledger.